guys, so today, as you can probably see behind me, we are building some, I guess, car lifts, car stands or whatever, so we can have enough room to get up under the S10 to actually do the transmission swap. So I'm going to do a short tutorial, kind of really just telling you what I did and what I have, because I don't really want this page to constantly just be a how-to or anything. I'm not really much of a direction giver, tutorial person myself. So today we're just going to be building the wheel stands so we can get this jacked up high enough so I can swap in the T56. What you need starting off is about 14 2x4s that are 8 foot long. Then once you get your 2x4s, like I said, about 14 of them, 2x4, 8 foot long, you'll then cut them into 16-inch sections, which should give you 1, 2, 3, 4, I think about four or five pieces per board. One of the pieces will be shorter, so it's just a throwaway. What I do is once I get the first board marked at 16 inches apart and then cut, I just take the already cut pieces and I'll square them up at the ends and then just do my line and then just do it all the way down the board. That way you're not grabbing a tape measure and measuring every time. What you want these to be as straight as you can get them. I mean, they don't got to be absolutely perfect. You're not trying to win a competition with them. You just need something that's gonna work and get you where you need to be. Looks like they make 5 boards you can use, and that 6th one is a throwaway. You're not going to be using that. All right, then once you get all of your boards cut at 16 inches, you just start taking them. I guess I can show you up here. You just want to square them up and then drive either a nail or a screw into it. I'm using screws just because it seems to be a lot easier for what I'm doing. But you just want to square them up the best you can, and if your cuts ain't straight, you can't really square them up that good. That's why it's best to try to get your cuts pretty straight. But you just want to square them just like that right there up the whole stack. But you don't want to, you're going to be making individual stacks that are about 15 inches tall. And this right here is enough wood to do that. Then, like I said, once you get them squared up, just drive your nails or your screws into them up to 15 inches tall and you're good to go. All right, we got the first one completely done. It's not perfectly square, but I mean it's close enough. It'll get the job done. It's sturdy, it's heavy, and it'll hold. Now we just got 3 more to go. All right, now we got all 4 of these made, 10 high, about 15 inches. I originally said you needed 14 boards, I believe. I didn't have enough. I had to go back and get 2 more, but I accidentally grabbed not 8-foot boards, but 92 inches, which is probably 7 foot maybe. But I was 10 boards of these, like 10 16-inch boards short, and what I had was making 5, so I just went and bought 2 more, and now I got all 4 of them put together. We can get the truck jacked up to pull the transmission.